In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. This powerful tool can truly transform your email experience by drafting messages, summarizing conversations, suggesting replies, and managing your inbox. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up. First, we need to check that you have access to Copilot. Copilot in Outlook requires a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. This could be through a work or school account or a supported Microsoft 365 subscription that includes Copilot features. Having the right access is crucial because without it, you won't be able to enable Copilot. This step ensures that you are eligible to use the features Copilot offers. Once you confirm you have the right access, the next step is to update Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer. Go to the File menu and select Office Account. You'll see an option for Update options. Click on Update Now to make sure your Outlook is up to date. After the update completes, restart Outlook. Keeping Outlook updated ensures that you have the latest features and security improvements. Now let's make sure you sign in with the correct account. It's important to use the Microsoft account that has the Copilot license assigned. If you use multiple accounts, Copilot may not appear if you're signed in with an unlicensed account. This step prevents any confusion and ensures that Copilot will be available to you once enabled. Next up, let's find the Copilot button in Outlook. Depending on your version, the location can vary. When you're composing a new email, look for Copilot or Draft with Copilot on the toolbar. If you're viewing an email thread, you'll see options like Summarize or Summary by Copilot at the top. In Outlook Chat, you can select the Copilot button directly in the Outlook window. Knowing where to find Copilot helps you access its features quickly and efficiently. With Copilot ready, let's explore its features. To draft an email, start by selecting New Email, then click on Copilot and choose Draft with Copilot. Enter a prompt such as, write a follow-up email after a job interview, or draft a meeting invitation for next Tuesday. Review the generated draft and send it. This feature saves you time and ensures your emails are professional and clear. To summarize an email thread, open the conversation you want to summarize. Select Summary by Copilot and review the key points and action items. This can be a real time saver, making sure you don't miss important details in long threads. Finally, let's improve an email. Write your message as you normally would, then select Copilot and choose Coaching by Copilot. Review the suggestions it provides for tone, clarity, and readability. This can enhance the quality of your communication, making sure your message is well received and easy to understand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. This tool will help streamline your email management, making your communication more effective and efficient. Enjoy exploring all that Copilot has to offer.